Hello, chatters. Today, we'll guide you on how to delete your ChatGPT account. How to delete your account. Delete your account by submitting a request to privacy. OpenAI.com or within ChatGPT directly. Deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Deleting your account will prevent you from using the account to access OpenAI services, including ChatGPT, API, and DALL-E. You will not be able to create a new account using the same email address. If you delete your account, they will delete your data within 30 days. Except they may retain a limited set of data for longer where required or permitted by law. Deleting your account yourself in ChatGPT or our privacy center should include canceling any active plus subscription. Also, deactivated or deleted accounts are not recoverable. How to delete your OpenAI account. Option A. Submit a request to the Privacy Center. First, click on Make a Privacy Request in the top right corner of the OpenAI website. Second, determine whether or not you have access to the email address associated with the OpenAI account you want to delete. If you do have access to the email address you need to delete, click on Consumer. If you do not have access to the email because it's an old work or school email, click on Consumer Phone Verification, which will include a verification step using the phone number associated with that account. Third, click on Delete My OpenAI account. Last, follow the prompts to submit your email for account deletion. Option B. Self-serve in ChatGPT. Sign in to ChatGPT. In the bottom left, click on Settings. In the Settings modal, click on Data Controls. Under Delete Account, click Delete. You may only delete your account if you have logged in within the last 10 minutes. If you haven't logged in within the last 10 minutes, then you'll see this modal where you need to refresh your login or sign in again. Confirmation modal will appear where you need to type your account email. Plus delete into the input fields to unlock the Permanently Delete My Account button. Once the inputs are filled out, you unlock the Permanently Delete My Account button. Click Permanently Delete My Account to delete your account. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.